Hello everyone and welcome back to another review. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing an amazing review on this Arm & Hammer Pure Baking Soda. And this is going to be the value size, so it comes with 4 pounds. So let's get right into this review. Okay everyone, so I'm here in my kitchen and I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can make paste out of this for cleaning purposes. Like I said, you can use this paste to spread it on your pans, your pots, your bakeware, anything that has tough fat, grease, and dirt and grime on there. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this with. It said based on my research, it says half a cup of baking soda, and then we're gonna go ahead and use about 2 or 3 spoons of tablespoon in here. So let's go ahead and get it to half a cup. So right there, right, that's a half a cup. So let's make sure. All right, there we go. So, all right, we'll get it to half a cup. Okay, that looks just about right there. That's just a little bit more than half a cup, but it's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. So now I'm gonna go ahead and turn my water on. As you see, I got my tablespoon here. And all right, oh, too strong, so go ahead. That's 1. I might need 4 spoons because I think I put a little bit more than 1/2 in there, but okay, that's 2, 3, okay, nope, need a couple more spoons, okay, all right, I said I put a little bit too much, but okay. All right. So don't forget, I said it was a half a cup. Okay, I'm mixing it. There you go. So, if you look inside of here, that's how the paste looks. It's nice and thick. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in one of my greasy pans so that you can see how it looks like. All right, so my wife made some chicken, and this frying pan is kind of greasy here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take some of my baking soda paste and just spread it in there. If you want to, you can use your hand if you want. And then yeah, go ahead and clean that a little later. And for some better results, you can just let it sit. But I'm not gonna show you in that video, I'm gonna clean it later. So you just go ahead and spread it around. Like I said, you can use your hand. You can also use this for the oven. You want to clean your oven, you just make it in a paste and then you put it inside your oven to get that grease and oil stains that are built in there. And then I'm just going to let that sit, and I'm going to clean that later on.